If you're looking at engineering colleges in Coimbatore for the upcoming TNEA admissions, you've probably come across the Nehru Institute of Engineering and Technology. So what's the real story behind this college? Let's break it down. And just so you have it handy, the TNEA Code is 2729. Here's a quick look at what we'll cover. We'll start with the big reasons why NIET might be a great choice for you. Then, we'll get into the official details and academics. After that, we'll explore placements and career opportunities, check out the campus life, and finish up with the college's achievements and scholarship options. So, with so many colleges to choose from, the big question is always, why this one? Let's jump right into the most compelling reasons you might want to put NIT on your shortlist. First off, and this is a big one, the college has an A+ grade from NAAC. Now, if you're not familiar, just think of NAAC as the official auditor for colleges in India. Getting an A+ is a huge stamp of approval on their teaching quality and student outcomes, and this grade is valid all the way until August 2027. But it's not just about that one grade. 4 of the main engineering programs also have individual NBA accreditation, which is another major quality check. On top of that, NIET is an autonomous college under ANA University. This means they can update their syllabus faster to keep up with what the industry actually wants. And for anyone with a startup idea, they have a government-backed technology business incubator right there on campus. Okay, so now that we've seen the highlights, let's dig into the foundational details. This is the kind of stuff that tells you about the college's stability and how it's structured. So, let's get the core facts straight. The full name is Nehru Institute of Engineering and Technology. The TNEA Code, again, is 2729. It's a self-financing co-ed college that was started back in 2006, and as we mentioned, it's an autonomous institution affiliated with ANA University. This quote really tells you what they're all about. The college was founded by the Nehru College of Educational and Charitable Trust, and their whole focus is on making sure students don't just learn theory, but are actually ready to tackle the real-world challenges they'll face after graduation. Now, this is something you'll want to pay close attention to. 4 specific programs, that's ECE, EEE, Mechanical, and Mechatronics, are accredited by the NBA. Why does this matter to you? Well, it means these departments have passed some really strict national standards. It's a mark of quality that companies definitely look for. This accreditation is valid until June 2027. Right, let's look at the programs on offer. The college has 9 BE programs in total. You've got the classic branches like Aeronautical and Mechanical, but what's really interesting is their focus on new age fields. You can see them highlighted here. We're talking about AI and data science, computer science and business systems, and of course, IT. So how many students are we talking about? Well, across all these 9 programs, there are a total of 780 undergraduate seats available through TNEA admissions. That gives you a pretty good idea of the size of their first-year intake. All right, let's get to the part everyone cares about most. What happens after you graduate? Let's talk about placements, career paths, and the opportunities for students to really innovate. So, the big number. Based on the data the college reported for the TNEA 2025 admission cycle, their placement rate is 85%. This gives you a solid baseline for what to expect in terms of job outcomes. But a career isn't just about getting a job. NIET seems to really encourage students to think like entrepreneurs. And the main way they do this is through their on-campus technology business incubator, or TBI. And this isn't just some small college club. The TBI has some serious backing. It's supported by the Department of Science and Technology, which is part of the government of India. For a student with a business idea, this means access to serious mentorship and resources. It's a huge advantage. Okay, let's switch gears and talk about the day-to-day student experience. These are the practical things that matter a lot, especially to parents who are sending their children to a new city. First things first, hostels. Yes, for students coming from out of town, the college has separate on-campus hostels for both boys and girls, and the mess serves both vegetarian and non-vegetarian food options. The campus itself is located in Tirumalayam, which is near Coimbatore, and it's spread across about 10.5 acres. For students living locally, the college has its own transport service, and for those traveling by train, the Madukkarai railway station is super close, just 4 kilometers away. All right, let's bring it all together. In our final section, we'll quickly recap the college's key credentials and look at the financial help that's available for students. You can really see the college's journey on this timeline. It was established in 2006, launched that government-backed incubator in 2018, and then earned that top-tier NAAC A+ grade in 2022. It shows a steady path of growth and improvement. Now, what about financial aid? eligible students can apply for a number of government scholarships. This includes schemes for SC/ST and BC/MBC/DNC communities, the first graduate scholarship, and also post-matric scholarships for minorities and OBC students. And on top of the government schemes, the college offers its own scholarships too. There's the Nehru Vigyan Scholarship, which is purely based on academic merit, and the Nehru Sports Scholarship, which supports athletes who've competed at the state or national level. So, as we wrap up, here's the final question for you to think about. Does this combination of strong accreditation, modern courses, and a real focus on innovation seem like the right fit for your engineering goals? Just so you know, all the information we've shared today is based on data taken directly from the college's official website and other trusted government portals at the time we put this together. Explore more engineering colleges at profsam.com, your true source for 12th to engineering decisions.